Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to my biology online classes. Today I am going to discuss with you about identification of Wuchereria Bancrofti, parasite identification for your upcoming Parasitology practical exam of SEM4 under CCF of University of Calcutta. Common name, general name of this parasite Wuchereria bancrofti is Bancrofti's. Disease caused by this parasite is filariasis. Now, systematic position of Wuchereria bancrofti. Classification scheme is followed by Rupert and Barnes 1994. In this classification scheme, Rupert and Barnes described all nematode roundworm as the Ascalmenthes, phylum Nematoda, class Phasmida, genus Wuchereria, species Wuchereria bancrofti. Host of this parasite is man. Man is definitive host and mosquito is intermediate host. To be identified of this parasite, adult worm, male, female, and Microfilaria larva. Now come to description of adult worm. This is diagram of adult male female worm of parasite Wuchereria bancrofti. Draw it in your copy. The most interesting point of this adult worm is male and female remain coiled together. If you get a specimen that is remain coiled, it is for sure that it is adult stage of Wuchereria bancrofti. If being separated, photograph is provided, then it's separate issue. Now come to description, identifying characters of adult worm. First of all, I am going to discuss with you about adult worm description, which is common both in male and female. And after that, I am going to discuss with you about sexual dimorphism character of male and female of Wuchereria bancrofti. Now, adult worm identifying features. Number 1. Long hair-like, transparent nematode, often creamy white, filiform in shape, body tapering anteriorly, cuticle smooth, head distinct, rounded swelling, followed by a narrow neck. 2 crowns of cephalic papillae present, mouth circular without lip-like structures, esophagus indistinctly divided into a short anterior and a long posterior portion. Now come to male character. Measures 2.5 to 4 cm in length and 0.1 mm thickness. Posterior end sharply curved ventrally and with a number of papillae and 2 unequal spicules. Female characteristics. Measures 8 to 10 cm in length, 0.2 to 0.3 mm in thickness. Tail end is narrow and abruptly pointed. Next point, vulva anterior and with an ovijector. So, this is all about adult worm identifying features with distinct features of male and female. Now, it's some note. It's not necessary to write in your practical copy as well as at your exam hall at the time of identifying. This is a note. This is for your information, for your knowledge. A new term is mentioned here, ovijector. So, what is ovijector? In nematodes, ovijector is the muscular terminal part of the female reproductive tract, specifically the oviduct, that forces fertilized egg out of the body through the genital pore vulva. It functions like an ejector, and its highly muscular nature, which includes a muscle sphincter, allows it to contract and expel the eggs from the uterus. Another note information, females are ovoviviparous, means laying eggs with well developed embryo. Now come to the Next point, Microfilaria larva. Microfilaria larva of Wuchereria Bancrofti, which one is very much important. This is Microfilaria larva of Wuchereria Bancrofti. Draw it in your practical copy with proper labeling. Identifying characters. Minute, snake-like, colorless and transparent, with a blunt head and a pointed tail. Length about 200 micrometer and width 6 to 7 micrometer. Body enclosed in a hyaline sheath which projects a little beyond the extremities. Central axis of the body composed of granules extended from head to tail end. The column of the granules, nuclei, does not extend up to the tip of the tail. The granules are interrupted at certain definite points. A cephalic space is present at the anterior end of the body. Two shiny spots, the anterior rudimentary excretory pore and posterior V spot, tail spot, are present. Inner corpor of fully born rudimentary alimentary canal. Mind it very carefully, the writing style of inner corpor of fully born. Inner corpor of fully born rudimentary alimentary canal extends from the anterior V spot to G cell 1, means genital cell. This inner corpor of fully born rudimentary alimentary canal, this one is also called central or internal body of mansion. So this is all about Microfilaria larva identifying characteristics of Wuchereria bancrofti. This is all about systematic position and identifying characters of adult worm, male and female specification, and Microfilaria larva of Wuchereria bancrofti. According to SEM4 CCF syllabus, all the identification of your parasitology practical has been completed from my end, from my channel. Stay connected for next session, and all the best for your upcoming parasitology practical exams. Thanks for watching.